check the Java version. Okay, now the Java of the last test of my Java is Java 26.0.21. Hello, install and configure Java on Windows. This is the proof to ask the ChatGPT. The last version is Java 26, the Java 25. LTS, it means long-term support. It is recommended for production. But in this video, I use Java 26. The current version of my Java on Windows is Java 22. So I uninstall it and upgrade it to Java 26. Okay, I open control panel, choose the program and feature. Okay, I say Java. This one I uninstall all. So the recommend for you for the user, if you use this for production, I don't recommend you to uninstall, but the project is for personal and tutorial, so I use the last version of Java, and then I uninstall it and upgrade to the last version. Okay, now I check the Java again. Cool. It means that Java is not recognized as internal. Okay, install Java 26 on Windows. Okay, we can choose the Oracle JDK, or we can use Eclipse Terminal. It is free for open. For the beginner, the production, we choose Oracle. And for me, I choose JDK to install the Java, this one. Okay, I click on this link. And then we choose the JDK 26, JDK 25. I choose on Windows. I choose MS installer. Okay, this one, or you can choose this one. I prefer choose this one. X54, no 64 about installer. This one. Okay. Now we wait for the downloads. About around 2 minutes. Now it finished. Okay. I open this one. At the moment, I click on the EXE and then click yes, and then click next, then or close. After we install, we check this one, the system variable. To set the environment variable, we click Windows press S plus S. Okay, this is the system property environment. Okay, we check the environment variable and then we click the edit. Okay, edit the system environment, system variable. Okay, this one. This is the first of the previous my Java version 22. So I change this one. Okay, program file Java. Okay, this one. Okay, I copy it. Okay, copy the path of this one. I click on this and edit. Okay, I paste the correct path of the JDK 26. Okay, close. Okay, after that this is the Java home. We can create the Java home. Okay, Java home is the same, so we follow it. Okay, we follow the previous method to add the environment variable. Environment variable. Okay, this is the variable of mine. Okay, this is the ones. Okay, no. Java home. Okay, it corrects. Okay, for the variable we click on the path, this one, click edit. Okay, we find the Java. This is the Oracle Composer bins. NVM homes. Okay. It's no, so we close it. Okay, this is the path. Okay, click edit once. Okay, click OK. And then I open the CMD. Check the Java version. Okay, now the Java the last test of my Java is Java 26.0.21. This is the VM. Okay, so to upgrade the last version to the Java is finished. Okay, thank you. And if you have comment or any recommend, you can comment on below. Thank you. Bye bye.